Hello friends! In this video I will tell you some features of 110V Homestick Welder. The 110V Homestick Welder is a versatile and practical tool designed for various welding applications, catering to both amateur DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals. This welder operates on a standard 110V power source, making it accessible for users in different environments, particularly where higher voltage welders may not be practical. It is well suited for light to medium welding tasks, such as repair work, art projects, and metal fabrication. With its lightweight design and user-friendly interface, the 110V Homestick Welder provides an optimal balance between performance and ease of use. The core functionality of this welder revolves around its stick welding technology, which involves using a consumable electrode coated in flux to create a weld. This process generates an arc that melts the base metal and electrode, facilitating a strong bond when the molten material cools. The 110V Homestick Welder stands out for its reliability and efficiency, allowing users to tackle a wide range of materials, including mild steel and various alloys, effectively. This welding machine is particularly relevant for hobbyists who require a robust yet manageable device for tasks like fixing furniture or crafting metal art. Additionally, it appeals to professionals in need of a portable option for smaller jobs that don't require the heavy-duty capabilities of larger welders. By bridging the gap between functionality and accessibility, the 110V Homestick Welder opens doors for various welding projects, ensuring quality workmanship without the steep learning curve often associated with more complex welding systems. Ultimately, the 110V Homestick Welder serves as an invaluable asset for anyone looking to engage in metalworking endeavors. The Homestick Welder is designed with innovative features that enhance its performance and usability, making it an optimal choice for both novices and experienced welders. One of the standout characteristics of this welder is its 120 amp output. This capability allows users to work with a variety of materials, providing the flexibility needed for different welding projects. The powerful output ensures that the welder can handle thicker metals and deliver high-quality welds with ease. Another remarkable feature is the Smart Hot Start technology, which significantly improves the ignition process. Typically, starting the welding arc can be challenging, particularly for beginners. However, the Homestick Welder addresses this issue by automatically increasing the welding current for a brief moment when the electrode is initiated, facilitating a more reliable and consistent arc ignition. This feature not only streamlines the process but also minimizes the risk of electrode sticking, which can be a common frustration among welders. Additionally, the Homestick Welder includes arc force control, which adjusts the arc intensity in real time, ensuring that the welder can adapt to different materials and thicknesses efficiently. This dynamic feature optimizes the welding arc, allowing for stronger and cleaner welds, making the overall process smoother. Complementing these attributes is an anti-stick functionality, which prevents the electrode from becoming fused to the workpiece. This safeguard not only protects the welder's equipment but also ensures that users can maintain a steady workflow without interruptions. In summary, the combination of a robust 120 amp output, Smart Hot Start technology, arc force control, and anti-stick functionality makes the Homestick Welder a reliable and user-friendly tool for a range of welding applications. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel to get notification of new videos.